Presenting the Little Junior's Ring Toy, ideal for kids in the age group of 6 months to 3 years. The product dimensions are 13.5 by 6.3 by 19.5 centimeters and weighs 250 grams. Little Junior Ring is an attractive educational toy which helps your baby naturally recognize different colors, shapes and sizes while having fun stacking them in order. It is designed to help your child in developing their finger skills and control, so they can grip tighter and more accurately. It has 5 multicolored rings of different sizes which can be stacked one upon the other. This ring toy is made of non-toxic plastic material with no sharp edges and sides, making it safe for kids to use. This toy does not require any batteries. 10 days replacement policy only for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.